Welcome to Business Insights, the podcast where we dive deep into the world of entrepreneurship, startups, and everything in between. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today we're talking all about doing business, from the initial idea to managing a successful company. Whether you're just thinking about starting or already on your journey, stay tuned because we've got some valuable insights for you.
Absolutely. So, Jamie, let's begin at the very start. What do you think are the key ingredients to launching a successful business?
Great question. I believe the foundation begins with a solid idea, something that solves a real problem or fulfills a need in the market. But having a good idea isn't enough. You also need to do thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and the overall industry landscape.
Right. Market research helps you validate your idea. For example, if you're thinking of opening a new coffee shop, you'd want to look at the neighborhood, check out what other cafes are doing, and see what gaps you could fill.
Exactly. After the research phase, the next step is creating a solid business plan. This plan outlines your vision, goals, target market, marketing strategies, operational structure, and financial projections. That plan acts as your roadmap. It keeps you focused and helps attract investors or lenders if you need funding.
Speaking of funding, Jamie, what options do entrepreneurs typically consider when financing their business?
There are several options. You can bootstrap using your own savings, seek angel investors, venture capital, or even apply for bank loans. Some also turn to crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Each has its own pros and cons depending on your business size, industry, and growth plans.
And once you've secured funding, the real work begins setting up your business operations. That includes registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and setting up your workspace or online platform.
Yes, and don't forget about building a team. Hiring the right people can make or break your business. You want motivated, skilled individuals who share your vision.
Definitely. Now, let's talk about marketing and customer acquisition. How important are these aspects in doing business?
They're crucial. No matter how great your product or service is, if people don't know about it, your business won't grow. That's why marketing is an ongoing effort. From social media campaigns and content marketing to traditional advertising and customer referrals, building a brand is also vital. A strong brand can create loyalty and differentiate you from competitors.
Absolutely. And customer feedback plays a key role here. Listening to your customers helps you improve your offerings and build long term relationships. Now, let's touch on challenges. What are some common hurdles entrepreneurs face while doing business?
Cash flow management is one of the biggest challenges. You might have great sales, but if your expenses outweigh income, it can cause serious problems. Competition is another hurdle. Staying ahead requires innovation and adaptability. Economic shifts, regulatory changes, and even unexpected events like a pandemic can disrupt your plans.
That's why resilience and flexibility are essential traits for any business owner. Pivoting when necessary and learning from failures can lead to long term success. Speaking of success, Jamie, what do you think defines a successful business?
For me, it's not just about profit. Success includes customer satisfaction, a motivated team, positive community impact, and sustainable growth. It's a holistic view.
Well said. Before we wrap up, any final advice for aspiring entrepreneurs listening today?
Yes. Stay passionate, be persistent, and never stop learning. Business is a journey filled with ups and downs, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve great things.
Great advice. Thanks for tuning in to Business Insights. We hope this episode inspires you to take that first step or continue your journey in doing business. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with fellow entrepreneurs. Until next time, stay motivated and keep pushing forward.